Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through a recharge subscriptions Shopify app tutorial for beginners. If you're looking to add subscription products to your Shopify store, this guide will help you get started step by step. So let's jump right into it. First things first, head over to shopify.com and log in to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, the very first thing we need to do is install the Recharge app. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels, then click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Inside the App Store, use the search bar and type in Recharge. From the search results, look for Recharge Subscriptions and click on it. This is the official app used to manage subscriptions on Shopify. Once you're on the app page, you'll see the pricing details. Recharge currently costs $99 a month, but the good news is that they offer a free trial, so you can test everything out before being charged. Go ahead and click Install App to continue. Shopify will now ask you to approve the installation. Once approved, the app will be installed into your store. This may take a few seconds, so just wait for it to finish loading. After installation, you'll be redirected to the Recharge Setup screen. Here, you'll be asked to choose a plan that will start after your free trial ends. For most beginners, the standard plan works just fine. Click Get Started to move forward. Next, you'll see a billing confirmation screen showing when your next charge will occur after the trial period. If you're okay with this, go ahead and click Approve to continue. Now that Recharge is installed, the next step is enabling the subscription widget on your store. To do this, go back to your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, then select Themes. From there, click on Customize next to your active theme. Inside the theme editor, you'll be able to enable and customize the Recharge subscription widget so it appears on your product pages. Once everything is enabled and saved, your store will be ready to accept subscription orders using Recharge. And that's it for this tutorial. You've successfully installed and set up Recharge subscriptions on Shopify. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.